Are you a man navigating the wild world of dating in 2025? It's tough, right? From endless swiping through fake profiles and AI thirst traps to dodging Instagram scams and impossible expectations like the notorious 666 rule. Modern dating apps can feel like a minefield. But don't give up just yet. Despite the drama, dating apps do work, with nearly 40% of adults using them and half finding committed relationships. We've cracked the code to help you succeed in 2025. Find links to these amazing apps in the description below to start your journey today. Number 1. AdultFriendFinder, hailed by readers for its casual connections, is perfect if you know exactly what you're looking for without the commitment. Number 2. Tinder remains the top pick for quick hookups, letting you dive straight into the action with its iconic swipe mechanic. Number 3. Hinge stands out as a popular choice for regular meetups, aiming to get you off the app and on actual dates. Number 4. Bumble puts women in control of the first move, offering a refreshing dynamic for men seeking genuine engagement. Finally, Number 5. OkCupid allows for deeper profile dives and matching algorithms, ideal for those seeking a more serious and compatible relationship. Stop wasting time and discover the dating apps that truly deliver for men in 2025.